This old house, identifying a plan. It looks like you're ready to almost create. Let's answer these few questions to make sure we are absolutely ready and you will be creating today. First, I want you thinking about A, how is your problem impacting the environment? B, how will your prototype or solution help others in your community? C, what will you do to build a prototype or model of your plan? What materials will you need? D, what technology will you use to present this information to the public? E, what are key points that you will say when you present this information? Once you have thoroughly answered these 5 questions, you are ready to create. Start creating your model or prototype now.